Hello all. Today's session we will see extent report. In previous classes I have explained how to generate default TestNG reports and report NG reports and listeners by using listeners how to generate. Today's class one more interesting topic extent reports. Right. Just here I have opened the extent reports official GitHub repository. Right. This is the GitHub repository. Right, external reports will support with Java, C#, .NET, Cloud. These are all different languages it will support. Today I am going to explain about external reports with Java. Right, they have given depreciation notice. After external reports 5, they have started with the chain test framework. Right, what is chain test framework? I have explained in the previous videos. Just go through it. Whoever want knowledge, please go and watch there. I have explained in detail. Extent reports. Previously we have 3.x version. 3 point is no longer maintained. 4.x is also available here. Currently it is going on 5.x. We have seen in TestNG default reports or report NG, it is generating, but we cannot generate more custom wise dashboards. We don't have any dashboards. If you want to screenshots, if you want to attach screenshots, it is we in old reports we cannot get it, but by using extend report we can get a more attractive report. We can have a dashboard, we can have a custom logs, we can attach the screenshots, so that it will be visually looks great. So how to integrate, how to generate these extend reports. We will see that. Just I have created one test case. Just extend reports. Main object is I am using. First thing is we have to create the Maven project. And then in the pom.xml dependency we need to add extend report. From where we can get it? From the Maven repository. We can go to Google. Extend report Maven. Just to Maven directly you can open Maven repository and search here. Current latest version is 5.1.2. I think after this they will not release anything because of their move to chain test. So this is the last version, I think 5.1.2. Just click on it. We will get the dependency. Just copy. That's it. Then you can add a Selenium test engine. Selenium test engine. Here main object is extend report. In the before test I have created. Just I am giving some overview of it. According to your project needs you can change it. Extend report object. Main object is extend report. I have created as an instance variable so that it will be available throughout the class. Extend reports, and then one more class is extend spark reporter. This spark reporter we have to give the path where I want to generate a report. I am giving system.get property user.directory. So that it will get the root directory of the project dynamically. Otherwise if I use fixed version, some other person if they want, it will not work in their machine. If you use the fixed version, we can get the dynamic version. Dynamically we need to get the path of the current repository so that it will work on any system without no need to change anything. User directory, under that reports folder, generate extend html report.html. Right, main object is extend reports object, then extend spark report. These two only, that's it. Right, remaining all are then extend dot. For the main object, we need to attach this reporter. This reporter. Right, that's it. These are the three lines main. Remaining, these are things are right, not required, not mandatory, but it's good to have. Right, in the main object, extend report object, we can set system info. I have set just three. You want more, we can set it. System info like a key and value. Right, we can set as a key and value. Here I have set what is the host name, what is the environment, what is the who is the user executing. Right, we can add any number of system informations. And then for the HTML reporter, we can give what is the title of this document report. Set a document title. Right, HTML reporter dot config dot set document title. Right, we can give any name and a report name. What is the report name? Theme. Right, we can have a dark theme or standard. Which one you love it? You can. Right, in the before test I have given. Right, this extend report object we have to create only once. Entire project. Right, if we create multiple times, it will generate multiple reports. Right, suppose for this test case I have created before test. Suppose I have a two test tags. So after executing these two test case, right, before test will execute right before starting the test case. Right, it will create the object, it will generate one report. Suppose if you want to integrate to project have multiple classes. Every before test if you write like this, for each class it will generate one report. Right, we have to base it on our requirement. Suppose I want only one report, then we have to write in the before suit. Right. So that what will happen? Before suit will execute only one time entire project. Right? Entire project only one time. So it's good to create under before suit. Suppose you want for each class one report before test. Right. Right, then a flush method we will come to this. Right, after shift and flush. Okay. Now come here in the before suit, just I am creating extend report object spark reporter. I attach this spark reporter to main report, then I add some system info, config info. Right, this is one time setup. Right, we will not set up this again and again, only one time. Then before method, just I am creating Chrome driver and opening the google.com. That's it. Here nothing is there. Then here important. For every test case, we need to create extend test object. Right. Right. I have created an instance variable so that it will be visible to entire class. Right. For every test case, we have to create the extend test object. Right. To every test case, we need to create. So extend dot create test name of the test case. Name of the test case to verify the Google test. Name of the test case. Right. Then we can assign the any category. Right. It is related to login category. If you want to assign device, okay, it is executing under Chrome. Just I am giving here throwing a some. We have to write these things generically. Right. Dynamically we have to get it and write. Right. Those things in the framework level we'll see. Right, here just a sample. Extend dot for each test case we have to write extend test and assign category, assign device. Right, I will give you one right idea. You can implement that. You can write before method these three lines. Right, by using before method and then you can get the iTest result object, get the name of the test case. Right, this one dynamically category dynamically device. These things you can pass from the TestNG, right? We are passing, right? We can get from there, right? You can try that, right? Then here just okay, we have opened the google.com, right? Then just getting the title, just verifying it. That's it. Then if I want to log whether it is pass or fail, extend test.log status pass, verifying the title. Right, we have a log. If I want to show some loggers, right? Then extend test.log, then status. We have a info messages, fail messages, pass, skip, warning. These are the 5 types of statuses we have. We can use accordingly situation. Then one more test case, verify log, right? Here also every test case we need to create the extend test object, extend report object dot create test. Then again assign category, some assign device. Right, just I want to show if you add these two, how report will generate, right? In report how it will show, right? We will see that. Right, here also just to validate is displayed or not. Then log pass extend.log status pass description. Then in the exception, suppose if you get any exception, fail, status is fail. Right, one more feature of extend test is we can create the nodes for this. Suppose I am creating extend test, we can create a node for this extend test. Right, what is the advantage? Right, if you see the report, then you will get to understand. Extend test dot create node. Right, just I have created one node, node one dot log again status, and then one more node, 2 nodes I have created for this extend test. Right, this is also a extend test object only, but a child object of parent. Right, then after method. Right, after method just what we are doing, just getting the result and fail. If it is a fail, extend log status is fail. Then here one more thing, if you want to show bold, right, in the Word document also, if you want to show bold, right, some bold characters, right, here also they have given markup helper. This is the optional, just I have, but just I want to show there is a future. Extend test.log status fail markup helper dot create label. It will create one label in the highlighted, and then what is the test case name? This is failed. This is the, just I want to create a label for this. What is the color? Red. It is failed, right? I want to create a label as a red. Right, if you want to add the what is the error message, right, extend.log status fail, again mark create label, result dot get throwable. That means we will get the what is the error, why it is failed this test case. Here also red color. Then just I have added a take the screenshot, right, get a screenshot, take the screenshot and get the path of it. Extend dot fail, we can also call extend dot fail, and I add whatever screenshot we have taken, right, at the failure step. Extend test dot add screen capture from path. There is a method in the extend test, add screen capture from path, right, path of the screenshot, whatever we have taken, pass this, it will attach to the report. Right, then skip means skip, we will add a status skip for success pass. Right, so for skip I have added orange color, right, for pass green color, right, like this we can add. Then one more important, once execution, all the execution done, we have to flush the report. We have to flush the report, then only it will generate report, otherwise it will not generate. Very important step, flush, then only it will generate report. Here main thing is we have to create the extend report object, spark reporter, attach it, then these are all optional. Right, then create test. Every test case we have to create the test, wherever we require call the log method. That's it. Right. then run as, just we will run it, run as TestNG test, where it will generate report in the reports folder, extend report.html. Right, okay, just I have a test case here. So what it will do, just it will launch the browser and it will verify. First test case is logo verification. Second test is it will verify some element is available or not. That's it, simple test case. One test case will fail, one test case will pass. Right here reports folder generator, right, see, then you can open, right click, open with system editor. Right, see in the left side, right, in the left side we can see on the first tab, right, this is the right category. Under this category we have, right, this is the to verify logo test case, right, this is the test case name. And then what are the steps? It is failed, right, we have highlighted marker helper. By using marker helper we have highlighted, right, it will come like this. Pass means it will color in a green color, fail means red color. Then we have right here, right, this is the child node. See, it will expand if we click on it, right. What is the advantage of child nodes, right? If we have a, suppose same test case, if we have a 50 steps, 50 steps, right, if we show everything under same report, it will be very long to scroll or to see. If we create a nodes, right, what will happen, we can, right, minimize and expand, right, we can give the description of this node, right, okay, database connection, right, it is a server validation something, right, so that we can click on it, it will expand easily. We can see the steps what is there under this step, right, that is the advantage of nodes. Right, second tab in the left side is categories, right, under this category login, if we have a 10 test case, it will show 10. Currently we have only one under use, right. If we add mobile, I have added a, right, here device, right, device Firefox and Chrome, right, it is showing that Firefox and Chrome, right. If you have any scenario, this is also we can add. Then graphs, it will show what is the start time, end time, test pass, test fail, right. On top you see report, automation report, and then what is the time of execution. Here reports graphical representation, it will show. Here tags, right, we have added that devices, right, it will show neatly system environment, right, like this, right, a very beautiful report it will generate. If you integrate to your project, you will get appreciations also, right. Yeah, that's it. In the next class we will see how to generate the same extend report only by using listener, right, by using listener, right. Thanks for watching, right. If you like my way of content and teaching, just subscribe to the channel, enable notification, please comment and like the video, just share to your friends. Right, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section, we'll discuss. Yeah, thanks for watching.